Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Look, I don't know if I can call this a rant, but this computer that I have in front of me, this boy is so old. This boy is so old, I would rather deal with a Packard Bell than this. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't want to be bothered with a Packard Bell, because the things that I hear about Packard Bells is garbage. This boy is so old. Do you all remember the first E-machines? Yes, the one that had the floppy disk drives in it. It even has Windows XP on it. Not that there's anything wrong with that operating system. You still have people who actually use that operating system. So, you see where I'm going with this one? It's kind of letting the tension build up. Show me the computer already! No. I'm going to make you suffer. I'm going to make you suffer so much, I'm going to show you another computer before I show you this one. Alright. This is a Dell C521 Dell Dimension. It's not a bad computer. It's DDR2 memory, DVD burner, which went bad because it looked like somebody did the 8-tail stump to it a long time ago. So the lady, all it needs, she said, quote unquote, this is what she tells me. She tells me all it needs is a DVD burner and that's that. Okay, I put a DVD burner on there, and like a true technician, I power it up to see if everything is all good, but it's not. As soon as I cut it on, it just loops straight around. It starts and loops and start back up again. So right off the top, I just knew it was the hard drive. So I put a new hard drive in there. Of course I did call in and confirm. Now I'm having problems collecting my money for my services. Enough of this. Let's get back to this E-machine. This boy is so old. This boy is so old. Remember back in the days when music was, breakdancing was popular, and we would carry our radios on our shoulder like this here. Yeah, when Optimus Prime and all of that. Yeah, I told you it was old. I looked at this and cringed and was like, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. This boy is not even worth the effort to try to begin repairs. So, I'm going to call my client up later on today when I feel he is back from work, and give him a call and just tell him to come pick it up. I would rather sell you a refurbished computer worth the value of putting any money and effort into this thing. This boy is ancient. This boy is so ancient that you might as well go back. I think this was made back in the day when food stamps came in to you in the mail. Okay. CD-ROM. There's not even a DVD burner on there. 20 gig hard drive. And the memory is 128 megabytes. 3D. 3D? Yeah, right. E-Machine T1090 and Celeron. This is something else. Wow. I'm not even going to waste my time to plug it up. I'm not even going to bother. Have a nice day.